Hey, we are Angela, Robert, Arthur and Oliver. We bought a small sailboat, saved enough money to live on it for a year and set sail. At the moment we are in the Mediterranean, sailing in the south of France and Spain. So we are sailing boat again and on our way to Spain. Wind is really light, about 1, maximum 2 before. In our favorite direction, we're making 3 knots about, and yeah, we expect to be in Spain some time tomorrow afternoon.
So I'm making a bento. You know what is a bento? Like there's everything there inside in one plate. Everything's there. That's a bento.
Okay.
Now
all of the food that we have.
my side.
Sophie. Oh mein Gott, so viele Sterne. Oh mein Gott, ich
In the late afternoon we arrived in Spain. We dropped the anchor in a small bay, inflated the dinghy to go ashore and explore. And after some trial and error, we finally succeeded.
Ich zieh von dort so, okay?
Ja.
Oh, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ich war der Kapitän. Alte Schwine. Schau, Kapitän. Dort steht es den Kapitän wieder. Und dort steht es wieder eine Kapitän schon.
Yeah, last time when I put down the mainsail, it just snatched it, make a tearing sound. Actually there was no wind, no force on the sail. I just put it down and yeah, it torn apart. So this material is really old. I think it's more than 25 years. I will try to repair it with some sail repair tape. We try to stitch it a little bit and hopefully it will last for a couple of weeks more, and we will soon need to get a new one. Yeah, let's try it. That's what you try to do, quick.
I can't tell. I need to concentrate.
It's the first time I use my speedy stitcher. Carried on many boats for many years, never used it. Now it's the first time I can try to repair something with this tool. And yeah, so far looks good, looks nice. It's Nice to work. It was not the most beautiful repair, but we could continue our way to Barcelona. Yeah, it's quite windy today, 20 knots from the wrong direction again. So a good day for another boat project, and it's changing the anchor windlass. The reason for this project is because the old windlass is quite old, obviously. It's a manual windlass, and she's not working quite well anymore. So it's really difficult to raise the anchor with this windlass. So I will replace it with an electrical one. Access to the anchor lock in the front. Of course, you have to remove the wall in the front here. Different holes in there. Second hole. Yeah, and this is the new one. I got one of these South Pacific windlasses on my previous boat. Quite satisfied, so just put it here. So what we need to do is to close the holes over this one. Okay, so I just fill this hole with some glass fiber and epoxy. I do this from the outside, and I will fill the rest with epoxy putty. Maybe not it's not a structural important repair here. Just want to make sure there will no water enter, and yeah, should be okay like this. I hope I can sand it tomorrow and continue the work.
right? Oh no.
Looks very, very nice.
You see it?
It looks good, yeah.
I put the kit.
I decided not to use the switch which came with the windlass. Instead I used a simple remote control from my Chinese supply store and a relay to switch the current. Yeah, so the anchor windlass works very well, and yeah, I'm quite happy with this windlass. It makes lifting the anchor so much easier, and it's also a safety feature because when the anchor doesn't set at the first try, it's easy to retrieve it and to try again and try again and try again until you are happy. So yeah, good thing to have. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this episode. If so, please give us a like and subscribe. Leave a comment and join us again next time when we sail to the Balearic Islands. Until then, Servus!